Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started. Our number one choice is Beyond Braid Braided Fishing Line. If you're serious about landing more fish with a high-performance line, this is a great choice. The Beyond Braid Braided Fishing Line delivers exceptional strength, sensitivity, and abrasion resistance, making it one of the best braided lines on the market. Whether you're targeting big bass, snook, or deep-sea species, this line won't disappoint. The color options and smooth casting ability add to its overall value. Made from high-quality PE fibers, ensuring maximum tensile strength. 4-strand and 8-strand options for different fishing needs. Handles big fish without breaking. Offers instant hook sets with zero stretch. Enhanced feel for detecting even the lightest bites. Blue camo and moss camo blend with the water for stealth fishing. Bright colors like pink and white for better visibility. Fade-resistant technology ensures long-lasting performance. Thin, sleek, and smooth design for effortless long-distance casting. No tangling or coiling for a hassle-free fishing experience. Built to withstand rough underwater structures. Ideal for rocky bottoms, docks, and heavy cover fishing. Perfect for all fishing conditions. Bass, trout, walleye, and inshore, offshore fishermen. Anyone looking for a durable, no-stretch braided line. Anglers who want a line that casts smoothly and lasts long. Available in multiple colors like blue camo, moss camo, white, green, pink, and blue, this line not only looks great but also performs exceptionally well in various fishing environments. Whether you're fishing in freshwater or saltwater, this abrasion-resistant, no-stretch braided line gives you. Our second best surf fishing line is Power Pro Spectra Fiber Braided Fishing Line. Whether you're fishing in freshwater or saltwater, this line provides the performance, reliability, and durability you need to land more fish. The Power Pro Spectra Fiber Braided Fishing Line is a must-have for serious anglers. Its incredible strength, sensitivity, and smooth casting ability make it one of the best braided lines on the market. Anglers who fish in tough conditions and need superior abrasion resistance. Bass, inshore, and offshore fishermen looking for a reliable braided line. Anyone who wants increased sensitivity and instant hook sets. Fishermen who need a line that casts far and lasts long. Made with Spectra fiber for maximum strength to diameter ratio. Superior abrasion resistance, perfect for fishing around rocks, docks, and heavy cover. Available in moss green, high-vis yellow, white, and blue. Moss green blends well in murky water. High-vis yellow is great for tracking your line. Enhanced Body Technology, EBT, creates a round, smooth, and slick surface for effortless long-distance casting. Reduced friction on guides for quiet and smooth retrieval. Zero stretch technology allows for instant hook sets. Extreme sensitivity ensures you feel even the slightest nibble. Ultra-thin profile allows for more line on the spool. Less visibility in the water, perfect for stealthy presentations. Whether you're targeting bass, walleye, or offshore species, the Power Pro Spectra line delivers exceptional performance in all fishing conditions. Known for its ultra-thin diameter, incredible tensile strength, and smooth casting, this line is perfect for both freshwater. Third pick in our list is KastKing SuperPower Braided Fishing Line. Whether you're targeting bass, trout, catfish, or saltwater giants, this line provides exceptional control and reliability. The KastKing SuperPower Braided Fishing Line is a game changer for anglers looking for durability, strength, and precision. Designed with zero stretch, high abrasion resistance, and a smaller diameter, this braided line is perfect for freshwater and saltwater fishing. Made with tightly woven, high-quality fibers for incredible tensile strength. Excellent durability for fishing around rocks, docks, and heavy cover. Instant feedback on bites and structure for precise hook sets. Helps you feel even the lightest nibbles. Fits more line on your spool without sacrificing strength. Allows for better lure action and stealthier presentations. Available in moss green, yellow, blue, gray, and multicolor. offered in 6 pounds to 150 pounds test to match any fishing style, specially designed for low memory, reducing backlash and wind knots, smoother and longer casts for reaching distant spots. The KastKing SuperPower braided fishing. Number 4 in our side is Reaction Tackle braided fishing line. If you're looking for a high-quality braided fishing line that delivers exceptional strength, smooth casting, and high visibility, the Reaction Tackle braided fishing line is a fantastic choice. One of the standout features of this braided line is its superior strength. Made from high-quality synthetic fibers, the Reaction Tackle line has a high tensile strength to diameter ratio, allowing it to handle aggressive fish without breaking. The abrasion-resistant coating ensures that the line withstands rocks, logs, and rough underwater terrain, making it a great option for heavy cover fishing. Reaction Tackle offers this braided line in several colors, including high visibility options like neon green and yellow, as well as stealthy colors like black and dark green. The brighter colors are perfect for anglers who like to keep an eye on their line movement, while the darker shades work great for low visibility fishing situations. Number 5. In our top 5 best surf fishing line list is Rikimaru braided fishing line. Fishing enthusiasts looking for a durable, high-performance braided line will find the Rikimaru braided fishing line an exceptional choice. Designed for both freshwater and saltwater fishing, this abrasion-resistant superline offers zero stretch, low memory, and an extra thin diameter, making it a go-to option for anglers targeting a wide range of fish species. Whether you're battling big game fish in deep waters or finessing smaller species in rivers and lakes, this braided line delivers outstanding reliability and performance. A key advantage of braided fishing lines is their lack of stretch, and Rikimaru's zero stretch technology ensures maximum sensitivity. This allows anglers to feel even the slightest nibbles, giving them a faster and more effective hook set. Whether you're targeting fast-striking bass, trout, or deep-sea monsters, this feature helps improve your overall success rate. Fishing lines with high memory tend to tangle, kink, or coil, leading to frustration and poor casting performance. The low memory feature of the Rikimaru braided line ensures that it lays flat on the spool, reducing knots and improving overall casting accuracy. This is a major benefit for anglers who rely on precision casts, whether fishing from a boat, shore, or kayak. Additionally, the variety of strength options, ranging from 4 pounds to 180 pounds, makes it versatile enough to suit different fishing needs, whether you're using it for light tackle fishing or chasing large saltwater predators. Highly recommended for anglers of all skill levels.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.